we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come, my tears, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, just to feel young, moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna telling me that I should throw it all away. Fight so hard, my heart is hardly helpless. Find myself so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for at night. I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. The shadow rises as I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my heart away. I recognize the powers as they rally. Call the names, I break them one by one and face to face. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for at night. I hold on to every not tonight.
Alrighty, Chad. It is Friday. It is the penultimate round of the week. Kigo, I know both of us didn't sleep a lot, but how are you feeling?
Feeling good, bro. Feeling good.
Hey, Chad.
See how we can finish off this week.
Running on maximum 3-4 hours sleep here. Busy mapping out the next 90 days. Takes it's not easy, Keegs.
Bro, it's not.
Those 90-day plans don't come to fruition by itself. But Chad,
But Trevor, you noticed something there, my brother.
what is that?
Tell me you're a trader without telling me you're a trader.
Oh shit, Chad. What is that? What is that? Kigo.
So that we can watch the profits run, bro.
I also have one, but quickly give me your one. I just want to show the guys the difference. Chad, I've got this little wood one from Typo. It's just 2 pieces of wood. Look at my boy here. This thing looks like it came out of the Apple shop. Look at this, Chad. Oh, there's levels to this game, Kigo. Incredible. Why don't you get me one as well? That looks pretty powerful.
It's a little, bro, it's travel worthy. It's going to come with us.
No, I actually
So I can
feel.
monitor.
Look at my little wood one. But it does the. Hey, Kigo. Maybe if I. Mine's even a little unstable, yeah. Just see what is going on here. Alright, we're still losing money there. Okay, that's good. Alrighty. Hope everyone is well. We've got, we're going to push through here today, so I hope you guys are ready. But before we start, we've got not a lot of time before we open up these markets, so let's just bow our heads, chat, and let's quickly pray. Father, we just want to thank you for another incredible week. Thank you for being with us all the way through. We pray that you will be with us today. Also go with our families. We pray for our businesses, Father. We pray for our family members, our communities, our country, our government. Father, we just pray that your hand will be over South Africa. We also pray that during this session, Father, that we will make good decisions, that you will give us insight, wisdom, and a clear mind. And above all else, we want to just glorify your name here today and give thanks and praise to you, Father. We pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now.
Amen.
All right, Kigo, let's get into this, my brother. Let's start.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's. This is where the hard yards are being done. When you actually feel like you could still be in bed, but you're here. So for everyone that showed up, well done. Chad, nothing much here this morning. Literally nothing for us during the London session. We just have the labor data coming out of Canada, and then we've got Fed's Muslim, speaking a little bit later, and that's it, Chad. That's going to be a wrap of the week. But let's start off here. Just kindly note that I'm currently in shorts on US 30, long on gold. Okay, but we're going to talk about that now. In the session, starting off the dollar daily, a little bit of a daily ab roller candle there, right in the middle of the range. So a little bit of a tricky one here for the dollar. Could this be the start of the dollar comeback? Because remember, if we look at this, technically we've snapped this downtrend we had here. We were in this downtrend, and with this move, we actually snapped it. So is this actually just a deeper pullback? Or was this actually the correction? That is the question. But currently, right slap bang in the middle of that range. Previous daily low still intact. Yesterday, pause candle. I'm still bearish on the dollar while we hold below that level. I'm going to need to see dollar trade above that level for me to get bullish any way, shape, or form. Going down to the lower time frames, there's Asia highs. There's your point of control. We don't really have much to work with here currently, so I'm going to say the way it's currently looking is that we could go bullish here today, okay? And that is going to be your area to monitor. If we hold there, very likely we're going to see a bullish continuation. If we fail to hold there, very simple, we will come all the way down, take the previous daily low, okay? US 30. I'm bearish on the day. And why am I bearish? Very, very simple. Let me just show you guys here quickly. Yesterday, closing bullish, failed to continue to the upside after taking a previous daily high. This is a bearish engulfing for me. That was the liquidity sweep. So I'm actually expecting US 30 to trade somewhere here a little bit later today. All right, that is my idea here. Nice minor break of structure there as well. So bearish for me. Going on the lower time frames, let's quickly see it. I did take that short here at Asia lows at the daily flip. Point of control is sitting a little bit higher. Okay, there's your point of control. I am happy to add onto this all the way as she goes up. Not bullish for me at all today on US 30. So there's my shorts. I've got my sell limits in. All right, there you guys can see it. Let me just bring that across. Okay, there's the sell limits in, and I'm expecting as a minimum for price to actually go all the way down there, Chad. So expecting a big down day on US 30. NASDAQ daily, a little bit different though. A weird thing is bearish on US 30, bullish on NAS. Okay. Why is this chalked? Give me a second here, Chad. Oh no, that's right. Okay, bullish on the day for me with NAS. Yesterday bullish as well. Nice little break there. I would expect at least one more test of that level, and then we'll see what NAS is going to do. Nice wick fill to the upside, and dropping down on the lower time frames. All right, if you are bullish, this is your place to enter. All right, Entry should be there. Stop loss should be around about there. Take profit is going to be up there. All right. Kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not suggest you do a single thing we do on these streams. Please consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision, as trading carries a large amount of risk that may not be suitable to all investors. Thank you for that, Chad. Okay, gold daily. A little bit of a tricky one. Me and Keegan chatting about it. I'm bullish on gold. Remember, if we go back to the start of the week, I mentioned to you guys the idea was that after this bullish engulfing on the weekly, taking that previous daily low, previous weekly low, I was expecting gold to trade to 34.52, and then on the daily, if we refine that zone a little bit, that is my expectation, 34.32. Okay. Gold gapped up, taking a previous daily high, now trading back below it. But here's the thing, gold can pull all the way back to that level and still be bullish. All right, Chad. That's the thing here. So I'm still bullish on gold. Entered my first little position there on that point of control. We've got our buy limits. And where's that daily level? Just want to make sure that is it. Yes. Okay, give me a sec. Yeah, bro. Okay, so we can pull all the way back down there and then still make the run up. I just wanted to get my first little position in there, but bullish for me all the way on gold. Likely targets the average daily range and then ultimately 38. So I don't know what's going to be the catalyst for this, but that is the price action that I'm seeing. And Kigo, you've got 8 minutes to bedazzle the Chad.
All right, Chad, let's start off with the dollar. So on the fundamental side, there's pretty much nothing today, as you saw. So we're not going to be too worried about that. But what are we looking for with the dollar today? Now, again, I said to you guys, we've been having the bearish outlook. And again, now two sides of this. Obviously, you still have a bit of a neutral understanding for the reason that we always understand Fridays you can see possible pullbacks. However, I'm still going to stay bearish. Now, two things for us. We obviously understand there's clear momentum. One range, we haven't hit the bottom of this range yet. Second thing, we're going to just start creating a resistance like we did over there. So we can see the first level where we started to pop off and see a little bit of resistance, and we can see that lines up with the previous area. Over there, we can again see this area over here. Now, two things for me. We're going to start monitoring is the idea that, again, same thing we did earlier, your traps. So breaking lower, then we came all the way up, breaking all the way right back up there, coming back down again. Now, what we want to see, again, very, very simply for me, is the idea of this trading lower down. Now you can see exactly where we're lining up is almost on the 15. You can see exactly where they're starting to bounce off there. So we can see these areas are starting to validate the trade there for us. So what we want to see now is, again, once this trade's underneath us, so we can see Asia highs. If we break back into the Asia high range, then I'm definitely going to be seeing that bearish momentum for the dollar. But if the dollar can break back out and hold above this area, that's how I'm going to start looking for it to go bullish again and understand an idea of that pullback, let's call it, on a Friday. Otherwise, as long as it's here, it can be choppy, as we can see. We're going to get more clear momentum once we're lower or above. So just keep a lookout for that. But very simple for us here. We're at the EQ. If it gets back into the Asia range, breaking into Asia highs, obviously, simple as that. Asia lows is untested, and we can see the continuation. Again, if you haven't been around, this also should be a giveaway on a daily time frame with all the dollar pairs. I always talk about this with a doji candle. You guys should know what that means. So we're going to see what happens there. Going over to NASDAQ. Again, seeing what's happening here, I am on the bullish side now. So we want to see, obviously, all-time highs back up there. We did test that key level. We had rejection, but we did close above that yearly resistance. So on the 4-hour, looking quite nice for us. We did pull back right back into this level of support we had over there. Let's just pull this across for you guys. So you can see exactly how that traded in. Again, very, very aggressive. You traded, pulled back, came back a second time, taking out those lows, and then all the way back up. Once you got back above the yearly, it's been quite simple. Try to have that little bit of a retest. Daily pivot EQ, almost setting up for a perfect grubber kick little bit short, but now trading back into the range. I am going to stay with that bit more of a bullish momentum. If this breaks back into Asia lows and under the weekly R1, I think it could be a little bit choppy. But if it continues to hold over there, I do want to see the bars back up to Asia highs and the continuation. I'm still going to be sticking to the same trend of this week, and that obviously was what we were talking about, the shuffling of assets. So again, naturally, I'm going to be more bullish on the indices with a bearish outlook on gold. But let's talk about it. So US30 was looking very, very nice, going back up to that key area. Massive rejection though yesterday. So US30 is the one that threw a spanner in the works, and that's what we're going to talk about this while saying NASDAQ, for example, if we break under those areas, I will be looking at the sells. Reason, same thing here with US30. Massive, massive sell-off yesterday. Now, obviously, this was related to the guys chatting yesterday, more talks about the tariffs, and again, we're literally going to see things play out. This is where things need to be understood. People need to actually break down what's being said and really take the outlook of it. Now, one thing about tariffs, which I think a lot of guys don't understand, is to a point, that also includes that the American citizens are going to be paying for those tariffs. Let's just wrap this up in a nutshell very quickly for you guys broadly. But what does that mean? And I think Chris can agree with me or disagree with me, and I think that also goes into what we spoke about the other day. But if the tariffs continue the way they're going to go, that means inflation is going to be around the corner for us very shortly. So
I agree.
We have seen.
I'm just reading all of the reports.
We have seen that I think that you were correct. Even when we looked the other day, they're now pricing in 3. Hey,
3
exactly.
rate
So you can see how they start
Yeah.
to line up here, Chad. So as that comes in, you're going to start seeing a bit more of a pop-off here again. So again, that idea of that shuffling of assets. So we want to see the idea that this can trade back up to that area. Right now, very simply for me, it's psychological. If we drop underneath 44, again, this thing can sell off. I think it can be quite aggressive back down to that monthly S1. Back down to that monthly S1. And then you can even go further lower. But again, we want to see that little bit of a reversal, kind of being an idea of, same that we're talking about the traps, you have the range, a big sweep of the low side, and now trade all the way back up to the top side. When we look here on the 15, again, almost setting up for a reverse grabber. So you had the move Asia highs, Asia lows, sweep of the lows, holding a key area of interest. You got the weekly pivot and psychological round number. Now trade bullish to go get you the EQ. So that is still going to be the plan of action there for me. Then lastly, with gold, we're going to have a look at what it is doing here. So now you are again at that psychological round number of 3,400, and we're starting to hold the monthly R1. Now yesterday was still very, very nice. And again, I don't want to say, as I said to you guys, the buyers can happen. I'm not going to be part of it, and it's just as simple as that. Now we tested this area, rejected, and now we always talk about when we have these key areas and I want to see a bit of a rejection, we want to see something like this which actually lines up on the daily, where now you take that daily high. What are we going to see then? Meaning, for example, when you drop down, what that looks like for us is having an area that was tested, held resistance, trade again the next day, massive candle, take it out, and then you pull back. So pulling right back into the range, taking back 3,400, back underneath the monthly, back underneath the weekly R1. Now we're trading back in, holding this area nicely. This is where I want to see this start driving. If this 4 hours starts to flip bearish, this is where I want to see that move and just see this thing start to melt to the downside. So that's going to be the play there. If it gets above 3,400, then I'm going to say it can go bullish. And that's just part of it. As I said, I'm not going to be looking for it. So the whole idea with the trades this week is I have my outlook. I'm going to stick to the plan. If it's not part of the plan, again, then I'm not sad to see it run. It just helps you manage your psychology a bit better that way. So we're going to see if it breaks 3,400, definitely the buyers can be on. We obviously know the rules. Daily R1 is all the way up there. So if this pivot's on to hold, next target's daily R1 holds, you go in daily R2. But if that moves, wasn't my plan, and I'll leave it alone. But if we can get the move of even that test again and possibly holding with a rebreak, or even getting back underneath that previous daily high, which I think might be wrong, it might be right actually, then I'm going to look for that sell-off back down to this area over here, back where we can see support being held. And then obviously from there, start breaking it down. But Chad, with 40 seconds left to go, that is everything from me.
Kigo, I want to thank you for that beautiful analysis.
You're my brother.
Absolutely stunning. Class. Alrighty, chat. I can see the numbers are down today on concurrent viewers. I'm assuming a lot of people blew up yesterday. We're going to open up these markets. Then we're going to talk about the prop firm challenge, where we are for this first 4 days. And we're going to take it from there. But ladies and gents, it is official. It is the penultimate round of this week. Markets are open and in motion, baby. Let's get it. Ding, ding, ding. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the status of the account. 1.8% up. 4 days traded. This will be the 5th day. Win rate of 50%. Profit factor of 1.4. A little bit of a shaky start, but we are still net positive. We'll see where we end the day. Some cheeky little trades were thrown in there during the week. A little bit of, I want to say we got loose a little bit at Keegs.
Yeah.
Almost like when you were at Varsity and after that third beer, things got loose. And then it's just trouble. All right, so rebuke the looseness. This is maybe for some of your friends out there. Could be some girlfriends, I don't know, to rebuke the looseness. But anyway, Chad, come on, let's lock it in here. Any bold discounts? No, not today, my brother. Not today. Today you have to pay full price. All right, because when you pay full price, you still get the full value of the product. All right, and when you get that payout, you're gonna know, damn, I paid full price for this, and I'm gonna get a full discount as well, or refund. Long weekend. It's only us profitable traders that wait. Is it a long weekend, Keegs?
I don't know if it's a long weekend. I know it's Women's Day on Saturday, but I don't know if that makes it a long weekend.
Chad, is it a long weekend? Don't even tell me that. That is beautiful. As much as I love you guys. Bro, these headphones with these new glasses are... Do we still have one of those softer ones?
We should.
Wait, I want to go get that. I can't live like this. Check it. So, with that headphone...
Oh,
yeah. I want to bring you the studio ones. Studio 7.
The man's on a mission, yeah.
Sure, this is killing my... I wanted to hear it.
Let's see.
I'm going to check if I've got one here.
My good chart on trading view is down. Hey. Here
Okay, I found one. Don't stress.
I'm not in charge of this one. No, it's,
You guys got to be quick though. Money's moving.
hey, bro. I
Time
love,
is
I love
money.
our boys, but media team and FOSS don't go together.
No.
They don't. Most 9-to-5s take the day of it on holiday on Saturday. Or where do you work?
Sure, bro. I can't put these headphones. Yo, they're super cock. I think instead of paying 10 grand for pedestals, we should have got an headset. 1, 2, is yours also so bad?
This is how they normally are, bro.
Wait, quickly give me yours. Bro, these ones are chalk, I see. Bro, that's why you don't enjoy the stream, though. This is super cock. Oh, Keeks. No, we can't do this, bro.
This is what you set us up with, yeah, bro.
Spoil ourselves with some headsets. What do you think?
We can even go on now after the stream. We can go up to that place over here. This is where we got them last time, man.
Dude, it sounds like we're talking to pillars now.
Promise you, bro.
Yo, this is horrific. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ooh, no, I can't stream like this, but it's better on my ear. I'm not gonna lie. Is my stream frozen? Or is there only 260 DJs that haven't blown their accounts this week so far? Most 9 to 5 takes. So is it on Saturday, highball? Where did y'all work? Chad, is it a long... Don't mess with me. Is it a long weekend? Keegs?
I have no clue, bro.
Or you guys are gonna let me mentally prepare for something. Chad, you guys are talking smack here. It's not a long weekend. Keegs, we're still here, bruv. 9th of August is on a Saturday, but does that not roll over then to the Monday? Chad, talk to me. So it doesn't roll over to the Monday. Only if it's on a Sunday. Alright, Chad. You know what the Bible says. By the sweat of the brow, you shall earn your bread. So Monday, we go again. Chris, maybe for you, since you're your own boss. Hey, Ernest, we still have to work, my brother. Wie gaan die werk doen? Kiga will tell you, Kieks, werk maakt sterk.
Sure.
Werk maakt sterk, kerels. Julle moet nie bang wees om te werk nie. Werk maak sterk. Oh, 5 days. Keeks, if you could go on a short little 3-day trip, where would you go? You have to tell me in 5. You're taking too long.
I think I'd go literally, bro, for now. Like, I'd go to Nasdaq.
Nasdaq. Yeah, that's not...
Just quiet. Just get away for a bit. Where are you going to go? 5, 4, 3,
No, it's not.
2.
Just to get away from it. No, I actually think that's it's not too far.
Yeah.
It's away from home. I think it's a good idea. Chad, where's Brian? I haven't seen him in the chat. Did he blow his account yesterday?
You know, it's
I think
icy market. Sometimes they don't pay you out, bro. And you've just got to make a plan.
You think RC chalked him a little bit?
The boy's going through the most.
Chad, yeah, I closed out yesterday. I did call it on stream. Previous daily high was there. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys now on the chart. So when we closed like that retest there holding, I closed out there. Because like I mentioned yesterday, it was holding this area here to potentially go bullish. So after that hold there, let's just zoom in here for you guys. There. So after I saw it was holding that previous daily high, killed the trade there. Very likely that it would have continued up, and up it continued.
Bro, you know, it is a very proud moment. In 1.3%, my following base, South Africa will finally overtake India.
Really? Damn, we need the Indian people to come back.
And United States is making a strong fight back as well.
Where are my Indian brothers? Oh, no, where's... They pay out because my history is highlighted. Hey. Beautiful, beautiful. Chris would go to you. Tenergy. Oh, I get it. Hey, the aura got tilted, yeah. Chad. The aura got tilted, yeah. I don't even know what JMSP is. But I can just assume it's something horrific. Chris, I closed the exact same place. Yeah, Ernest, no, it was a good try. Yeah, Chad, kindly note, we will never message you on Discord, please. We will never ever message you on any platform. I barely get time to message my wife.
Oh, yeah, Chad.
And I'm married to her.
We're going to make a... We got a very special thing happening for some of the project, not Project G, even 2G's members. Can we tell them about it? Or do you want to keep it secret? It's like a still secret society.
Wait, there's a few things. Wait, let me just ask you. No, not now.
Alright. The secret society is the secret society, Chad. Brian, you see, it's only got to be kept down low because you can't trust guys that trade with IC markets. Because literally, that's what RC stands for, bro. Inner circle.
He just needs the T. ICT. Chad, overall, it wasn't a bad week.
RC markets review coming soon. Ooh. It's fine, Chad. No edit. It's either going to be a 4 out of 5 candles or a 3 out of 5 candles. It's one of the two.
Easier markets.
We need Ed to get aggressive. He must start offending people.
Yeah, Ed is way too nice. Oh,
Bro, he's like a scamming prop him. He'll be like,
Oh.
3.5 out of 5. Well done.
Something that I like about this prop firm is that you can get same day withdrawals, but actually you can't really get same day withdrawals because they will reach you. But it's still a fantastic feature to have. Visually, it looks very impressive. I will give them 4 out of 5.
We need our boy to get aggressive there, Chad.
Ed, you gotta call it what it is, my brother.
Unless you are an affiliate and they're bread and butter, you can get daily withdrawals. But anyone else, not for
I don't know if Ed's fishing maybe for a deal with them. Like putting out the hooks to everyone. It's like, Ed, we really enjoyed that review. Our services are actually very cuck, but the way you put it out made it look really good. No, I'm joking. There's nothing wrong with IC markets, Chad.
Did it come off now or did it... Sure.
Whose toenail is that? Oh, okay.
Yo, bro.
No, Chad, I want to be honest. Any broker that's been in business for more than 15 years, 15 years in the broker space is almost like 50 years for any other business. Yo, Chris, have you ever heard of Stefani Scanlon? I've never heard of her, bro. Remember, I'm married, my dude. I don't look at other chicks. I don't know. Do you know Stefani Scanlon, Kigo? But Kiggs is, he wouldn't know as well. He's engaged, Chad. Oh, he's a gent. Sorry, man. Sorry, no. No. Goud is stout. Goud is bietjie billerag hier, so hy wil bietjie opgaan hê. Goud is bietjie lus om op te beweeg hier.
I'm scalping for you, bro.
Bro, I'm so tired. I really don't. I give 0 Fs at this stage. Open chat is kind of cool.
Open chat.
What is open chat? It sounds like a Tinder for running clubs. Yeah, let me tempt you guys with the MacBook quickly. Alright, Chad. Alrighty, ladies and gents. Next week, Friday, this shall be given away to one of you guys. A beautiful, brand new MacBook. So if you have not owned an Apple product yet, these are just incredible machines. Manufactured in China, most likely. Designed in Apple, California. Assembled in China. You check that?
Right, yeah, I saw that.
But I love how they've wanted to say designed by Apple in California, but China. All the way from China, baby.
Oh, I love that, bro. Shout out to our boy, Messiah. The man choosing violence. Calling leadership out. Woo! Woo! This broker is useless. They keep wasting money on cap than providing actual value. A broker that's fake broker, renting cars and houses, and leads to fake mentors. Whew.
Is it on the talk?
It's on his Instagram. Oh, Messiah.
Did he not put it on the talk though?
I don't know. He probably did it on his stock as well.
Let me check.
I don't
the
have him
talk.
on there.
Sure. I wonder what made him choose violence, because he's a relative straight shooter. Kigo, we hit 3K on the talk.
Hey, look at you, bro.
Look at that, my G. 3K on the talk.
Hey.
Alrighty, let's check. Joe. You should throw it on his stock though, but I think he... Just I wonder who hit Messiah, bro. What is his IG handle?
The 714 method.
Is that his name on IG?
Yeah, 714 method official.
Nah, I can't find it. Maybe he blocked me.
I'll send it to you.
I can't see it. Nope.
Why would he block you?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I always get blocked for some reason.
You didn't call him out for anything, did you?
No.
You literally follow him, bro.
I know, but I can't see him. I don't know what his handle is. Will you send it to me?
I
Oh, there
sent
you
it
go.
to you.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
Don't tell me it's not. That is what it is.
You said the 714. But it's 714. I put it there.
Ah.
Yo.
I love his name, like on his story, like he made a post.
Yo. Yo.
Ah.
Ungena Kupi. What does that mean? Ungena Kupi. I don't know what that means. I would love to know. Inyambose, there's no need. Ukuti, ukuleme, kabi, ngabanye, abantu. Let them do their thing. I don't know what language this is.
Oh, Chris
but
is
it's-
reading something, bro.
I mixed a little bit of Sutu, Oza, everything there. A little bit of.
I don't know, Chris is just having fun with it.
Geek said we're gonna do a marathon stream today, all the way through. Zulu for where you get in, if I'm not mistaken. No, man. I've made Messiah a solid guy. No, I'm joking. Didn't. We're still gonna do a seminar with him for you guys, Yampy. The click doesn't make it cause a quick. Sorry, Ed. Corza doesn't have a click, eh? Oh, does it have a click? Okay, Ed said there is a click in Corza, but not in Sutu. Or does Sutu also have a click?
No, I don't know.
I don't think Sutu has a click. No, Sutu does not have a click. It doesn't involve you. Stop saying bad things. Okay. Does Sutu have many clicks? Oh, damn. Okay, sorry, Chad. Chad, but how's the week been? Honestly, how's it been? Talk to me. Let's talk about the week. For me, it's a solid week. I achieved what I wanted to achieve on the personal account. Prop firm account, we obviously made it a little bit more exciting, but we're still up. Been so consistent, beautiful. Yeah, it was actually a very solid week, Brian. It's been a very, very solid week. Who's the oldest race in the world? Is it not... who do you think's the oldest race in the world? I think it's gonna be somewhere in Siberia. Okay, Walter, beautiful. I blew my account twice. Okay, Richard, no man. No man, Richie. Richo! You see, the guy that blew his account twice is the guy you can't go grab a drink with. Richard Brousseau is the guy, Keegs, that gets you into trouble. He's the guy that's like, okay, one more. Listen here, just one more round for the boys. We're not... Chad, boys, last one, we're done. We're done. Tell the wives, just having our last one. Excellent week, Chris. Took 2 trades, made $12,000. Beautiful, David. Less is definitely more. Blues, but been a fight. If not for large stops, it would wreck a lot of people. Correcto. Much better than last week, Chris. More discipline and more loyal to my plan. Beautiful, Dane. In drawdown for the week, but still a positive week. Okay, nice. Nice. I think the 5-on-3 will be a game changer for me at this rate, but just need to understand it some more. Yeah, I know we're going to do some more calls on it, you know. But it's definitely going to change the game for many of you. Oh, had to fund the account not to blow. Oof, Armand. Risk management. Blowing accounts in 2025 should not be a thing. Gino, I agree and feel the same. Yeah, Devani, I think it's going to be good for you guys, really. Oh, I can't wait for the Drickers fight.
When is it?
Next weekend.
It's next weekend, ja.
Classic Gold, ons het 'n videoetjie oor tax, jong ambassadeur. If you go exclamation tax, there's a video. But I'm also going to suggest that you go and check out Tax Consulting SA, based in the business, all right? Tax Consulting SA. Yo, I butchered that there. But taxconsulting.co.za, go check them out. They are the right guys to chat to. They're gonna sleep, DDP. Jakes, don't talk kak on the stream, my brother. What kak are you talking? They're gonna sleep, DDP. And you know what the crazy thing is, Keeks? DDP is gonna fight him at his own strength. He's not gonna stand up. DDP is just gonna wrestle him just to... DDP is that...
There's no argument.
Bro, he is that guy. Like with Sean Strickland... Sean Strickland said he's a stand-up fighter. He's going to throw, and then Dricker said, I won't take you down. We're going to stand up and throw.
Yeah.
And he chalked him at his own game. Now, what's the name? Comes out, he's like, yeah, he's an animal on the ground, this and that. And then Dricker's like, yeah, we're going to come out.
Take it to the ground then.
We're going to go straight to the ground, and we're going to see who comes out tops. Oh, did he say they're sleeping? Okay, Jake, I apologize. Send an email to support@vaultfunder.trade with your username, your YouTube username. We're gonna send you something. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it's something special for you, Jakesy. Hey, Leon, beautiful, my brother. I thought you guys indulge in history. Not that far back, Jason. That's a little bit too far back. Is Fab saying DDP gonna sleep? Oh, no. Jakes doesn't want to roll it. Okay. Hey, Brian, we need to get rid of that merch. It's just taking up space. Chris, you can swear at me too, and then apologize to me via Vol. Jakes, but you gotta be quick, my brother. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to pop that email quickly so I can walk around and tell support what's going on. I also say DDP is gonna get wrecked. Nah, bro. DDP was born in Valcom, my dude. Us guys from Valcom, we don't get wrecked.
I was gonna say, is that the difference there?
Yeah.
Bro, you know what's the funniest
What must
thing?
I pop through, Chris? Just your Vault Funder email and just a screenshot of your YouTube profile. Just so we can see it's you. I'm going to bless you, my brother. Say again, Kigo.
You know what's so funny is you watch, like I noticed now, whenever I post something on socials, I'll post, one of the first few people will be other mentors. Promise you before the end of the day, they'll post something similar.
Where is the man? But you're a trendsetter, Kicks.
These boys.
It's about
These
to blow. I'm
boys.
still. Wesley, why are you still shorting gold, my brother?
Also, guys, I also want the shorts, but I haven't entered them yet.
Shorting gold. That's one thing where you need to know when you're on the wrong side. I did take a long year yesterday, Keeks, but I closed out at break even. Because it became way too late for me. I wanted to go to bed. Chad, I don't know if you guys remember the average daily range was somewhere here yesterday. I think there. Then I added one there, and then it went up, came back down, and round about this time I was like, it's not getting off the lows. Let me go sleep. Oh yeah, what I wanted to show you guys. What I showed Kigo is if you look at last Friday with US 30, we had something very similar. It was obviously NFP though, but we had something very similar. After dropping quite significantly, we just continued down on the Friday. So that's why I'm thinking we could see another big down day here. Or I could be wrong. Either way, doesn't really matter. Trade your plan. I love him, but I think this could be the hurdle. Islam another breed. Yeah, Kigo, TDP, bruv. Oh.
Yeah,
What
I still say, bro, it's. I want to see our boy come out on top, but hands down, like this is his biggest hurdle. I wouldn't say anyone else has come close to that level of what he's going to face now. And especially because of what we were saying now, he's going to try to beat you at your own game. if he was gonna play his game, I think it's a 50-50 type of thing. But the fact he's gonna try,
Bro, but
beat
did
you
you see when Trickers won a grappling contest at the Gracie, what is that thing?
I'm not saying he's not good, bro.
No, but I mean like he grappled 7 black belt guys. He literally grappled, he tapped all of them out. 7.
No, but let's just say, like, I'm not saying
and he won the
he's-
contest.
It's gonna be close. It's not gonna be a walkover.
Look, I think in terms of physical ability, I think he's got it. My only thing is I hope he does not go in overconfident.
I was gonna say he's got to be
Yeah.
switched on that. If
He's
he
gotta-
drops
he's
that
gotta
guard,
res-
bro,
yeah, he's
for
got to
one,
respect. You got to respect Chimaev.
if he
gotta
drops that
respect
guard
him.
once, bro, he's gonna be done. You make a mistake on the floor, you are done, bro.
He's got that don't cry. I love when what's his name, Joe Rogan. Drake is an absolute human being, a unit. Have you felt that guy, Keeks? Drake is Duplessis. He's absolutely huge. Yes, bro, I'm sort of getting anxiety for that fight now. Thinking about
Sure, bro. Next weekend's gonna be a long weekend.
sure a lot of
We
sport,
have
bro.
the Boca on Saturday,
Make it like it
and
for the
then-
Boca.
Drickus on Sunday.
No, actually not. When we took, where's that picture of Drickus? Let me find it. Drickus is he's a little tank, Chad. He's
Yeah, Chris, he's the same height as me. But, bro, the thing is,
he'll throw hands at you, bro.
throw hands, but the biggest thing is, I still said to the guys that day, if you go look at that photo, look at the size difference in my fist and his fist. Bro, that's like a little weapon on that man's hand. Like, that's a little bomb he's going to hit you
Bro,
with
why
every
can't
single
I
time.
find the photo? Yeah.
There's this one. Like, Jay, if you look at that, for those that met us,
Where? How did you find it so quickly?
but I mean, the difference
Keeks,
in...
how did you find it so quickly, my bro?
This was a favorited photo.
How do I?
His
favor
fist
it?
is like, I'm not gonna say double, maybe like, yeah, a little bit more than.
Oh, Driscus. Driscus Duplessis. Let me see the size of his fist against yours. Stefani walks around at 230, my dude. That's his walk around weight. Yeah, bro. He's got some heavy hands in him, man.
Like that is.
Yo, Keegan, that man has got some heavy hands.
It's a little
Some-
tank there, bro.
Some slingers there. Now after looking at this, my boy's got it. TDP's got it. He's got it. I'm feeling more confident now again. Bro, he will eliminate Dagestan. He will come back and the only thing alive will be the bears. He'll just keep the bears alive if he had to go to Dagestan. Yeah, I watched the interview last night of Drickus. He said his walk around weight's around about 230. I think he's currently sitting at 205, if I'm not mistaken. So he's already started the cut. They don't know what we know. Hulle weet nie wat ons eet nie, my vriend. Maar soms eet van die ouens in hierdie kantoor poefies, want kos kan nie so ruik Keeks. Keeks, food can't smell like that coming out of the toilet. DDP, it's gonna be stuff as well. But he's 100% bigger than me. How tall are you, Chris? Ernest, I think I'm 197. We gotta check these lunch boxes when the team comes in here. Okay. Chexy, let me just go chat to the team now. I'm gonna be back. Give me you guys can just look at this drawdown for a bit there. See if we can get something out of the woodworks here.
Chad, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? I tried to bless you guys with 50% off, and like everyone was like teasing it, checking to see if the code works. No one's purchasing until a last minute. Well, congrats to our only winner. 50% off on a Friday, not a bad way to spend your time.
Wait. When did we give a 50% off?
Huh? What? What happened? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, Chad, code lost my job. 20% off until 12 o'clock today. For those of you who didn't win.
Wait. Hold.
What happened? Chad, if you don't see me at New York, you know what happened.
Wait. When did we give a 50%?
We didn't. What do you mean? What? What happened? Anyway, Chad, how you guys doing? You guys all right? You guys doing well?
Always.
Chad, how's these trades going? You guys doing well? You guys all right? On an unrelated tangent, do any of you guys know the guys who work at Equity Edge or Comet or any other prop firm?
We know them.
Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend. All right, Chad, off to the gulag with me. I'll check you guys later. Peace.
Hold on. When did this message go out?
What message?
Go review this, man.
What is it doing?
Go look at his channel activity. Just
Whose channel activity? Ed.
Forex Insights.
Jexy, just check your email, my brother. Wait, what did Ed do? Where's Forex Insights? Did he remove himself? No, I can't see anything.
No. Go look there, bro.
Channel activity, okay. Go, lost my job. Ooh. For 50% off, one only. Lost my job. I should always give it one more candle. What is that?
Bro, where were we that we never saw a 50%
Yo.
code guard?
Ed, he sneaks them in here, bruv. I saw much blessings, Chris. It's a pleasure, Jaxie. Jax, all I want to say is be blessed. Equity edge power again, my friend is crazy. Biggest G ever. Alright, that 50% is coming out of Ed's paycheck. I'm kidding. Hey, Ed. Be blessed. Beautiful. I haven't even set the limits on my personal. Oh, bro, I'm toast, geeks. I'm obliterated, my dude. Chad, what's the plans for the weekend? What's happening the weekend? We must decide now where we're watching the Ruggers next weekend.
We're watching them all, place.
I don't know. You must let me know.
I'm happy. I thought we still said it's my place this time.
If it's raining, we're doing it at your place. If it's not raining, we can do it at my place.
Or like a bra.
Yeah, so if it's raining at your place.
Okay.
So we can just really get stuck into those carpets, those choreographed carpets. Really dive deep into. Why did I just get an email from HR asking for a meeting? Pray for Ed. Alrighty, Chad. Let's see what gold is going to do at this previous daily high. There's your daily flip.
What's the daily flip on?
3404. 3404. Gold.
Oh, on gold.
Yeah, gold. Do it now for the boys. US 30. Do it for the lads. Yeah, 85-inch TV, Fabs. I've never seen it in my life. The only time I've seen that was at an airport. I actually thought I was in an airport. I was like, yo, Keegs, what is this? Keegs like, just something small, man. You know, I actually need prescription glasses, but I'm not going to go get glasses. I'm rather just going to get an 85-inch TV. Chad, that thing is humongous. They actually had to take the window out to get it in. It didn't fit through a door. Because either way you try to put it, you can't get it through the door. So I had to break out the window. Yeah, bro, if I was his neighbor, I would literally just ask Kigo to connect my Bluetooth headsets to his TV, and I'll be watching on the other side of the estate. Taking the family to Retrofear for the long weekend. Quiet place just before Port Alfred. Hey, Lackadane. Drive safe, my brother. Enjoy it. Hi, guys. What happens when I've reached my target on challenge account, hitting 6K mark? I may have hit more than that. No, it's perfect, brother. You must just check your minimum trading days. So remember, if you go into your dashboard, you're going to see your minimum trading days. So days traded. So just make sure that is 5. Then you're going to automatically get the email for your phase 2. Alright. Chad, daily brief. We haven't even gone through that, so let's quickly go through it. Is there not a way for this thing to read it for us? Okay, but anyways, Chad, there's there's a summary table. Gold bullish, Dow Jones bearish, tariff risk, weak tape, futures versus spot, NASDAQ slightly bullish, tech earnings, exemption tailwinds. Thank you guys. Yours was the first time for me on prop. No, perfect, brother. Now you can 100% make more than what you need to make. Gold outlook spot on. Thanks, Brandon. I really appreciate you, my brother. Nah, we just want to see a drive. Pop and drive. Why am I so emotional? Hey, my brother. Just keep your head down. Keep working. Stick to the plan. Why don't we get those Apple Maxi Pods, or what do they call it? Can you plug them into the Apple AirMax? Why is it AirMax? AirPods Max.
Oh, the Air Max,
Can we plug them in here?
yeah.
Chad, anyone know if we can plug this into...
The other streamers use it.
Yo, bro, these look class, but when are the new ones coming out?
I think it's a while till they come out,
Yo, these look very comfortable. And I just want to check if it's long enough for my big head, bruv. We can get them cheap though, Keeks. I don't know if Take A Lot still has them, but Take A Lot had them for 8.5. Let me check. Apple. Bro, is there AirPods Max 2?
I don't know.
Let's check Take A Lot. Are we gonna do a giveaway with AirPod Maxes next? Do the entire Apple range. Apple should actually give us yeah, they got sold, bro. Yo, they were cheap, dude. These ones were for 8.5. But somebody said the Sony ones are better.
You can't say that, bro.
Huh?
You can't say Sony's better than Apple.
No, bro, you know, I'm an Apple fan, but somebody...
We're gonna get cancelled, yeah, bro.
Somebody said that these ones are on a technical basis are a lot better. The Sony's 30 hours battery life, Spotify, easy, cool handling.
Next, Chris is gonna be telling me that we need to be giving you guys Samsungs.
No, we won't do Samsung. Nobody wants a Samsung, bro. Chris, ek Sony dit gekoop. Chris, ek... Stefan. Hey. I see what you did there. I'll be waiting on... put together in China. Can get them cheaper on Temu. Do something for the poor Android guys. If I screwed up on phase 2, why? Stefan Power, funny guy. Chad, anyone have these Apple AirPod Maxes? How are they? We went to the iStore yesterday. This, not this one. The other one. Your quality. Where's the... where will I find this HomePod? The bigger HomePod. This one, yeah. Yo, Chad. What a quality piece of equipment. Which one, Jared? The Apple ones. Yo, they look good though. But I'm honest, guys. I watched a review where MKHB did a review on these and the Apple ones, and it actually said the Sony ones are better. Believe it or not. Yes, I'm still in US 30 cells, my brother. There's the cells. I messed up the lot sizes when I entered this one, so I just entered the 0.7 because it should have been 2.7 for each of them. But yeah, there's the cells on US 30, and then obviously the bars there on gold. Kigs, what are we gonna do till NYSE? Because we're gonna stream through,
I'm going for lunch now, bro.
We're gonna stream through, eh?
Yeah. You going to?
Okay.
I've had lunch, bro.
Lunch.
Yeah.
Lunch, yeah.
I don't know yet.
But you're lunching.
I'm lunch.
Kigs, I see you wearing that expensive tracksuit again. You only bring it out on Fridays.
Oh, bro.
Sheesh. That's good, bro. The money suit. Chris, your daily flip off. No, I've got the daily flip here, Brian. Is it on a... This is where it's showing. That's where the daily opened up. Let me just check. I don't know if Black Bull is maybe chalked. Let's check quickly. Let's check Owanda. I never remember Owanda is... no, that's... Zwa. I was thinking about that guy that made that video. He didn't say gold. It's like Zwa. Zwa USD. Hey, Brian. So it looks like the daily flips are different. I don't know. It's it looks relatively the same. Yeah. Zwa USD, Chad. Let's It's right there at the daily flip now, chat. Let's see if this bad boy is going to flip bullish. Daily flip is daily flip lower. Now, but remember, I'm looking at the current daily flip, so there's actually a little bit of a gap up here. I don't know if you guys saw that. There was a gap up, so your daily flip is there. I'll just show you guys there. That's where the market's closed, and there's that gap up. So that's why the daily flip is there. No, Brian, here's a gap here. Let me just show you guys on the 1 minute. There you'll see that they're on the rollover period. So when we closed last night, price gapped up by that. How big is that gap up? Oh, damn. 80 pips up. So that's where we open up today. So that's why I've got the daily flip there. Oh, where, Brian? Yeah, I think if we could do, if we can take the code of this, Brian, this for the daily. So taking the data from this, taking this data and then plotting these lines automatically, that would be sick. Because I'm literally plotting them out manually now in the morning based off that. So, Devani, what broker feed are you using? Yeah, that could be sick, Brian. I think I have shared. I'll share the code with you now again, Brian. I'll share the code with you for that little indicator. Yeah, I just haven't had time to... Hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw on your screen quickly.
Go over, bro.
I should have also gotten like a Bogart jacket because now I need to wait for summer. Brian, I WhatsApped you there, my brother. I love how Brian and 2G's trading flow from talking cuck to serious chats in 2.5. Hey, that's how we roll here, Jaxie. Kriba, just a question with comp at VF. We have 5% drawn up today. We go profit as... No. So the 5% is based off your equity and balance. So once it resets around about 11, then the 5% is then based on what your equity or your balance is at that stage. So you can lose, let's say you're 30% up. You can still lose 30%, but you can't lose 30% in one day. You can lose 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, because if you think about it this way, this is $100,000 account. Let's just do this quickly. This is $100,000 account. So you'll see that, let me just get the aspect ratio right here. You can see that the max drawdown is sitting at 90,000, but your daily loss limit will move with your equity, and it resets around about 11 every night. So On the day, if you make 5%, you can technically lose 9.5% because it only resets at midnight or close to midnight. But once that rollover period is done, your 5% is then calculated on either the max of your equity or your balance. So that red line there is the daily loss limit. Where did I enter my personal? I hope that makes sense, my brother. I'm up 20 at the moment. I want to up the risk, but I was not sure. No, so let's say you made 4.5 on the day, then you can technically go 9.5. I'm here to make Chris great again. Hey, Brian, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you for the support, my brother. I guess we can only try. Let me just see. 80, 90. I should actually not be lazy, but Kigo, I'm gonna pee and then I think, are we calling it?
We're waiting for you, brother. Chad, this guy's like determined. I mean, he'll get you be like, Mark, it's your chalk today. Just 5 more minutes and we're going to see if we get a trade. And there's like 3 hours later. Hey, bro, just 5 more minutes and we're going to see.
Keeks, quickly explain the drawdown rule there for Devani. I'm just going to go pee quickly.
The drawdown rule?
Yeah, for your daily loss and our reset.
Oh, okay. All right, my brother. So, yeah, very, very simply, think of it like this. You're going to go down. You've got, let's do a little picture here. So, that's your break-even point. You now can use 5% for the day. So, again, you now trade, you up, whatever the case, you down 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, and there's your 5%. You need to close out before that because if you hit the 5%, you're actually going to breach the account. So, let's say you close out at the 4%. Can I pull that back? Or no, I can't. You close out the 4%. Now, tomorrow, what happens? You leave the account, you don't trade. Tomorrow at 12 o'clock at midnight, the account's going to reset. So your break-even point is here now. The account is going to then take your 5% drawdown from here. Obviously, keeping in mind to where your max drawdown is. So let's say, again, you went down 4%, so technically you have 6%. Let's say you go down another 3%. All right? So you go down 3%. That's a total of 7%. Even though you leave it now, you're like, yeah, I'm not going to trade. You're going to reset. That's your break even again. Now tomorrow, 12 o'clock. Keep in mind, normally your daily would be 5, but your max drawdown's 10. So you're only going to have now, because it was 4, 3, it's 7, you only have 3% left. So your max drawdown and daily drawdown is at 3%. So if you hit that 3% today, you breach the account. Obviously, if you go up, you gain more percent again, and so forth. And if you drop, it carries on. So at the end of every day, wherever you are, the account will reset there and say, from here, you were 4% again, so now you have a total of 5 with an extra 1% for your 6. Otherwise, you keep gaining. So every day, 12 o'clock, it basically analyzes where you are, and it will reset and readjust itself from that point. I hope the picture helped because, I mean, it is quite numbers, and if you're not understanding the numbers, hopefully the picture made it make sense. Thanks, guys. Very, very helpful.
Fridays for you if you guys slept. Then it's gonna not be VF Friday. It's gonna be V Fire you on Friday. Makes way more sense than what everyone else explains it. I don't think the other guys have a clue really. Can you go 5 more minutes?
You can say if I'm going, bro. I'm done.
Chad, let's just quickly blitz those likes to 200 so we can do a giveaway and then we can leave. I just want to leave you guys with something.
Wait, what are those likes at? Hold on.
You go.
Chad, have a great one.
I'm kidding.
Love,
I'm
baby.
kidding.
I'm gonna
I'm
see you
kidding. I'm
guys.
kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm just gonna wrap up there for the Chad. Chad, let's just start off here with the dollar. As mentioned this morning, drew this out for you guys. Said that was one of the options that could happen. Could come back into the range and very likely will go down. US 30, I'm still short biased on it, so nothing there. I just have my sell limit. I'm going to leave this. I want to see a little bit later where we are trading at. I'm still expecting of a downside move. So yeah, still that's on my TP. I'll actually go for something like there. But this could go all the way down there. All right, that is almost a 1% down day. Daily flip currently holding. Not too stressed about that. Point of control is sitting somewhere here. If I'm not mistaken there, yeah. So point of control still holding as resistance. NASDAQ, as mentioned this morning, if you wanted to get into the longs, drew it out there. That's your idea. That's your daily flip holding. This structure on the daily is bullish, so weird that they are not in sync, but that was shared with you guys. And then gold, I'm still bullish. Could be a grind to the upside, but ultimately expect gold to trade somewhere there later today. Okay. But yeah, Chad, that is the rapid fire analysis. We're going to see you guys this afternoon. There's the positions, there's the buy limits. Yeah, Kigo, any closing remarks there for the Chad?
No, Chad. Pretty much that's it. We're going to see what happens. Market's not doing anything too crazy. Still sticking to my plan for the day. So we'll just see if it sets up more for New York and that we can execute and finish the week strong.
Chad, that is it. We will see you guys 3 p.m. for the last round of the week. Stay safe. Please don't do anything we wouldn't do. And if you do, please send us photos for proof. But other than that, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys this afternoon. Cheers, cheers.
So
still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Sit out your touch. I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave a step between. 'Cause when you knock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Turn around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a lie. A lie. I don't wanna live a lie. Live a lie. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. responsible.
Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I need to breathe, get me up and out of the sheets. Onto my feet, another cup of coffee and me. That's what I need, my eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Ay, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education to understand a world that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's Satan. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams when my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light, yo. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. There's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got a lot. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. They can count on me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes, and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left, and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left, and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. when everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. 'Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. 'Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah. That's right. Y'all better watch out. NFX is on the rise. Yeah.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could
Yeah.
be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now, I remember everything. And how careless